Hello, everyone. Very strange noises, that's for sure. Me and the boys went camping. Just decided to go last minute thing. Um, Camp and then wake up in the morning, go fishing near North Twin Lake in Bend, Oregon. And so we took off at night. Got to the spot just off the road in the woods. I would say about 2 miles, 2 miles and a half from the lake. um, and then as soon as we got there, we at first we just heard the birds. You can hear the birds pretty clearly. um, and then this buzzing sound started, kind of, we can hear from the far, and then obviously started getting closer and closer. Sounded like multiple of them, uh, because otherwise I don't think this animal would be moving from one place to another that fast. um, but one of those noises were like literally right above our heads. I believe it was the first audio. Um, I believe you can hear like twice, super close to us, and you can really clearly hear the noise. Really strange noise I've never heard of before, and I've been camping a lot by myself. I've been out in the woods by myself. I never heard this before. Um, and obviously it came with the bird noise. You can hear the birds really active all around. um, and at first I thought maybe the bird is making that noise too, you know. But there is an audio, I can't remember at what point, but if you hear clearly, you can hear the bird noise and the buzzing sound at the same time. um, so they're definitely two different animals or whatever this is. I thought at first it was an owl. uh, I, I'm been searching for owl noises, like native owls here in Oregon. I couldn't match it to any of them. Um, and then it just continued throughout the whole night. Um, we woke up around 7. Um, we were just picking up camp, and the noise was still pretty noticeable around us. And this is already daylight. Um, so we just went to the lake, found a spot. We started fishing, and then the noise came back just one more time. So this lake is surrounded by woods, especially on the um, that would be the west side of the lake. Um, so right behind us in the woods, we can hear it, and really strange. But it wasn't enough to kick us out of there. We kept camping and fishing and went throughout the day. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any idea of what this could have been. I would really appreciate it to find out what this was, identify what this was. Um, but yeah, pretty strange. Well, thank you guys. Keep adventuring, and we'll catch you later.